Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the market. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
Today's economic calendar is packed with several significant Black Star events, including the release of the US and Canadian unemployment rates later this afternoon. However, the most important event of the day is the non-farm payrolls report, also known as NFP, which will be released at 14:30 this afternoon. To make it even better, we will be trading this event live with all our premium members. Just head over to vt.smartonlinetrader.com to secure your spot. Also, be sure to stay until the very end, as we'll be sharing our technical analysis for today on foreign currencies, indices, and commodities.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
In currency news, the dollar has rebounded as data showed a strong US labor market, increasing the chances of a Federal Reserve interest rate hike later this month. The ADP National Employment Report revealed a surge in private payrolls in June, the biggest rise since February 2022. Additionally, the Institute for Supply Management survey indicated faster than expected growth in the US services sector, adding to the data indicating a resilient economy in the face of tighter monetary policy. Moving on to digital currency, cryptocurrency analysts believe that Bitcoin is in the early stages of another price squeeze, suggesting that its price could surge in the near future. This short squeeze scenario, triggered when traders shorting a commodity cut their losses due to an unforeseen price surge, could potentially be underway for Bitcoin. Now let's see what's making headlines on Wall Street. The major stocks experienced a slight decline after reporting better than predicted jobs data. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 1.4%, the S&P 500 fell 1.3%, and the Nasdaq Composite dropped 1.5%. The ADP report showed a jump of 497,000 jobs added in June, indicating signs of resilience in the US labor market, with a slowdown in layoffs and weak filings for unemployment benefits. Moving on to commodities, oil prices remained flat as the market weighed tighter US crude supplies against the higher likelihood of a US interest rate hike that could impact energy demand. Fears of a global recession have also increased following surveys showing slower factory and services activity in China and Europe. Lastly, let's talk about bullion. Gold prices had a narrow margin above the 1,900 support level as they tumbled on signs that the US jobs report for June could surprise to the upside, leading to a more hawkish stance from the Fed. Concerns grew that the Fed might raise rates again this month after the ADP report showed that private employers in the US added nearly 500,000 jobs in June. Now let's shift our focus to the highly anticipated technical analysis segment. Please remember that our technical analysis scenarios are subject to market conditions and should be used alongside other relevant indicators and analysis tools. Always exercise caution, conduct thorough research, and make well-informed trading decisions. Now let's delve into the analysis for EUR-GBP. This currency pair is currently trading just below the diagonal resistance level. A break of this level with a close above 0.8555 could lead to a momentum shift and turn this currency pair bullish. Next, let's shift our focus to the Dow Jones analysis. The US 30 is currently trading just above the primary support level. If the support holds and we see a close above 33,980, we could potentially witness a rally back up to 34,400. However, a break below 33,670 could lead to a decline down to 33,200. Now let's move on to the analysis for crude oil. WTI is still trading above the primary support level, and a close above 72.3 could push this commodity up to 73.5. Lastly, let's examine the analysis for gold today. The yellow metal bounced off the primary support level yesterday, and a close above 1917 could lead to a correction back up to 1923.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the peace be with you. Cheers.